I want to see you, darling. I really do, because I think of you and